Hi there, I'm Kiran, your happiness life coach, and I'm back at Case Cafe bringing you another interesting topic today. So, today's topic is a very serious one, and I'm going to talk about inferiority complex, right? So this is something which we see in around in society that there are people who have this kind of a psychologically created complex, which is it can be superiority or inferiority complex. So today I'm going to talk about inferiority complex and why it happens and what are the causes and how it affects one's personality and what are the remedies and how one can really come out of this situation. So guys, firstly, thank you all for liking my videos and liking my page. So lots and love and thanks for that. So coming back to this topic today, I have myself experienced that I have met many people in my life who have kind of in certain trait they have shown that they have this inferiority complex and it really kind of brings them down. So firstly, what is inferiority complex? In this kind of complex is when one is not sure about oneself, one is very uncertain about his or her personality, one feels inadequate in whatever he or she doing. As a person, one feels that he or she is a misfit or maybe not up to the mark and others are better, and thinking like that develops and one starts feeling inferior. One starts feeling small, one starts feeling not good in whatever he is doing, however he or she looks even. So there are so many kind of reasons for this complex which develops, and we have seen that at times the root cause remains in the childhood. It may be possible that during childhood this person has been treated like that, there has been comparison between siblings, or there has been comparisons in schools, amongst the peer groups. There has been some kind of an incident where this person has emotionally kind of gone down and broken down very badly. So that self-esteem is lost and one feels small, one feels very insecure, one doesn't feel good about oneself. So once you look into the mirror, you feel that no, this is not right, even I don't look good, I don't feel good. So it can be a personality trait, it can be a trait in success, where you are successful or not, that can bring down. It can be something how you look. Maybe you find yourself that you are not looking good, or you are maybe not as better as others. So this is all created mentally, and it kind of affects one's life in society, and kind of one wants to really go into a shell. At times people also undergo depression and they become depressed and they become aloof, they want to remain kind of in their aloof in their room. They don't want to mix up with friends, they don't want to go out to parties or anywhere, because they are not very sure of themselves. So if this kind of a disorder is a very serious one and it has to be treated, and yes, it can be overcome with counseling, getting help with psychologists or life coaches. This kind of counseling can really help, and others who are there as family, as friends, one must try to boost this person's morale, one must try to keep this person motivated, that whatever you are doing is good, and however you are looking good. And remember, everybody is different and everybody has some plus or minuses. So no two people are similar. right? So one should not be wanting to be like another one, because we as human beings, God has created us. Everybody is different. Even like twins, they have different characteristics, they have different personalities. They may look alike, but they are two different individuals. So guys, treating this complex is very important, because one really kind of breaks down, and once people go under depression, it's very difficult to bring them out of that. So how do we kind of come out of this? Firstly, stand in front of the mirror, and whatever you are looking at, you must love. So creating that self love and self respect is very important. Until and unless we are able to love ourselves, like ourselves, and feel good about ourselves, we are not going to get that confident. So however we may look, however we may appear, we are there as the best, right? So feel good about yourself, develop that self-esteem, develop that confidence, and use affirmations every day. I have been talking about affirmations in my previous videos also, that affirmations saying like, I love myself and I'm good, I'm the best, I am good. Now this doesn't mean you are going to create that complex which is going to turn into a superiority complex. No, not at all. But just saying this, that I love myself and I respect myself, and I am the best version of myself. So saying this affirmations is going to bring that self-esteem. It's going to grow your self-esteem. It's going to make you feel good about yourself. It's going to really feel you that confident that I can just walk out with confidence that I am there and I love myself, and I am good. I am good. I am good in whatever way I am. I may be good at something, I may be not good at something, so it's okay. It's okay that I'm not good at something. That acceptance has to come very, very soon. As soon as you are able to accept yourself as you are, you will see that this kind of complex is not going to come near you. How do we come to know that somebody is suffering from this kind of a disorder? Somebody is undergoing this complex. You will see that people kind of like, yes, of course, I told you they stay aloof and they want to be on their own. On the other hand, there are people who want to seek attention. So if somebody is really seeking attention and wanting attention in a group, and always trying to bring everybody towards themselves, that is one sign that also that this person is actually asking for recognition, actually asking for attention, seeking attention. So they might suffer from this complex, and that is why their behavior is like this in a group, in outside, wherever they are with the friends. Another thing which they usually develop is jealousy, which is a very negative trait. One needn't be jealous about anyone or anything. So everyone has abundance and everybody has good things in their lives. So actually getting out of that jealousy is very important, because you are feeling that you are not good, and hence you create that jealousy amongst with somebody else, right? You feel jealous about. So this kind of a trait, somebody who would always kind of be very sensitive and sulk very easily. This is also one sign that somebody is kind of having this inferiority complex. So there are so many traits one can really make out, and when you meet up friends and you've grown up with friends and you've got certain set of friends, maybe family also, you get to know that this person has got some kind of complex which is not good. That feel good factor is missing from this person's life. So guys, one really needs to help this person. One really needs to come out of this situation and feel good about them. themselves. So, like I said, taking help, getting motivated, talking to friends, talking to counselors, going to a psychologist, going for help to life coach. All these things you need to talk. Somebody needs to kind of vent out whatever is there in their minds. So this kind of counseling would really help this person. And again, I said affirmations and feeling good about yourself. Another thing one can always do is take a pen and paper and write down what are the good things one can do, what are the good qualities one has, what you are good at. So all these qualities are going to make you feel good, and you will come out of this situation which is kind of pulling you down. Lastly, I would say that whatever skill one has, one must polish that skill, and everyone has got some kind of a skill or kind of a quality where one can work upon. So go for it. Whatever skill you have, just hone that skill and go into that field, work and feel good about yourself. So this is very important, creating a very positive self-image about yourself, creating self-esteem, developing that, using affirmations and creating that kind of a good confidence that hey, I am the best and I love myself. Once you start loving yourself, you will see you will not feel any kind of feeling where you are feeling any less from anyone. So guys, this is what I had to tell you about this. It was in my mind and I thought I must share with you. And I have kind of met so many people in my journey of life where I have helped people and they have come out of this situation, and still I work with so many of them and they really feel good about it. So in case you are feeling little low about yourself, connect to your happiness life coach Kiran, and I am there as a friend to help you out and get the best version of you, show you what you are worth it. And remember, you are special and you are beautiful and you are unique. So guys, feel good about yourself. There's no place of complex in our life. We are good as we are. I'm going to come back again with yet another topic, and I love you and thank you so much for liking and loving my videos. Love you and take care. Bye-bye from Kiran.